Hello, Buck Domino and Domino community. This is Leslie, and I'd like to submit a video for the leadership board at Buck Domino. So let's go take a look, see what we got. Okay, we have here a 2D pyramid is the category. Mini dominoes is the subcategory. I did the prism style. I have 25 at the base, which makes for 325 dominoes. As you can see, I did rainbow scheme. I like the rainbow colors. So let's see if we can get this thing toppled. Alrighty, I'm going to use a little mini domino and I'm going to throw it at it. So 3, 2, 1. Well, that sucked. Let's try this again. 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Awesome. Got one there. I don't know about the bottom rows, but awesome. Awesome. Thank you for your consideration.